When I tell you that we are now in a fascist state, I'm not joking when I say that. We are now in a fascist state. The United States of America is a fascist nation. We are nabbing people off the streets with plainclothes, unidentified officers and taking them away against court orders. We are deporting people who are here legally to foreign nations where judges prior have ordered they not be shipped, and we're openly defying the Supreme Court. We are seeing a true weaponization of the Justice Department, and they're not just going after non-citizens. American doctor receives email from immigration officials telling her to leave the country immediately. A doctor born in the United States says she received an email from federal immigration authorities demanding that she leave the country immediately. Lisa Anderson, a physician from Cromwell, Connecticut, told NBC Connecticut on Wednesday that she recently received a letter from the Department of Homeland Security telling her, quote, "It is time for you to leave the United States." Immigration authorities have been pushing non-citizens to leave of their own volition or self-deport as the number of deportations remains at similar levels to last year. But Anderson, 58, was born in Pennsylvania and is a U.S. citizen. The language seemed pretty threatening to whomever it might actually apply to, she said. A senior DHS official told NBC News that the department has been issuing the notices to individuals who do not have lawful status to remain in the country. If a non-personal email, such as an American citizen contact, was provided by the alien, notices may have been sent to unintended recipients, the official said. CBP is monitoring communications and will address any issues on a case-by-case basis. To be clear, if you are an alien, being in the United States is a privilege, not a right, the officials added. We are acting in the best interest of the country and enforcing the law accordingly. But she's not an alien. She's an American citizen. The email to Anderson comes days after a Boston immigration attorney, who is also a U.S. citizen, received the same email from DHS telling her to leave the country within 7 days. The attorney, Nicole Micharoni, I don't know if I'm saying that correctly, told MSNBC that as of Tuesday, federal officials had not followed up. Pointing to the Boston email, Anderson said that she does not have anything to do with immigration. Anderson has been carrying her U.S. passport on her at all times since receiving the email and is seeking an immigration attorney. It does make me concerned. There's a lot more people out there like me who probably also thought this was spam, who probably didn't realize I have a problem, she said. Yeah, we all have a problem. It's called the motherfucker in the White House. And Trump has now openly said he is in favor of deporting American citizens to foreign nations to be held in terrorist supermax prisons. So if you have a passport, carry it with you. If you have a gun, carry it with you. Tom, are you suggesting that people shoot federal agents? Not in the least bit. But the people who have been nabbed off the streets have all been nabbed by non-identified, plainclothes, federal agents wearing masks. They could be anybody. We have no idea who they are. Absolutely no idea. So if a plainclothes person comes up to you and doesn't identify themselves, doesn't show you identification, and tries to nab you off the street, yeah, drop them like a bag of dirt and call the fucking lawyer. Call it. You can't do yourself any good from inside of an El Salvadorian supermax prison. You can get a hold of your lawyer while you're still here. You drop them and you call the lawyer. We are in a fascist country.